Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. Genuine Winco. Great dispenser for thick and thin condiments. We hesitated buying these because somebody didn't do their homework and arrogantly accused them of being fakes, even though it says right on the bottom of the packaging that Winware is made by Winco, which a 2-minute search online confirmed. These seem very well made, especially relative the price. I have little doubt they're restaurant quality. They screw on to a stop, so there's no risk of over-tightening and stripping it back off. They're made of a thicker plastic than similar bottles we've bought in stores. Yet the plastic is still very squeezable for everyone except my mother, who has severe rheumatoid arthritis that limits what she can do with her hands.